Today I'm sharing 3 simple DIY and thrift flip projects that added so much cottage charm to our home without spending very much money. For the first project, I started with a plain corkboard that had absolutely no personality. I knew it had potential though. I had this beautiful blue cottage-style fabric and I wrapped it around the front of the corkboard, pulling it tightly and securing it around the back. Next came the perfect thrift store find. I spotted this gorgeous ornate frame while thrifting and it happened to be half price, making it only $2. The details were beautiful, but the finish still needed a little updating. A quick coat of gold spray paint completely transformed it. Once everything was dry, I used E6000 to attach the frame to the fabric-covered corkboard. What started as a plain office supply suddenly looked like a custom cottage-style bulletin board. I love how much character the ornate frame adds, and the blue fabric makes it feel right at home with the rest of my decor. For the second DIY, I wanted to create a decorative bowl using only a spool of rope from the dollar store. I started by finding a bowl that had a shape I really liked and completely covered it with plastic wrap. Next, I applied a generous layer of Mod Podge over the entire surface. I began coiling the rope, starting in the center and working outward until I had created the size of bowl that I wanted. Once all of the rope was in place, I added another thick layer of Mod Podge over the entire piece to help hold everything together. After it dried completely, I carefully removed it from the bowl mold. I did accidentally let mine sit for about a week before removing it, and because of that, the plastic wrap was a little harder to peel away than it probably would have been if I'd removed it the next day. But it still turned out great, and I absolutely love the texture and warmth this rope bowl adds. It's simple, functional, and looks much more expensive than it actually was. For the final project, I gave a thrifted lamp a cozy cottage-inspired makeover for my kitchen counter. The shape of the lamp was great, but it needed a little updating to fit the style I was going for. I had a scrap piece of eyelet fabric on hand, so I used it to cover the lampshade. The fabric instantly softened the look and added so much charm. To update the lamp base, I used Rub and Buff to create a distressed gold finish. Once everything was finished, I styled the lamp on my kitchen counter. The combination of the eyelet fabric and the warm gold finish completely transformed it. It feels cozy, collected, and like something that has always belonged there. These kinds of projects remind me that you don't need a huge budget to create a home you love. Sometimes all it takes is a little creativity, a thrift store find, and an afternoon spent making something beautiful. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.